what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe.
Hello beautiful people, I welcome you once again to Artist Cafe. You already know the name, King's Motion. You know what it is? It is what it is. I still remain your one and only music promoter in Ghana and beyond. What do I see here? So hey, if today is your first time, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit on the bell notification so that you can catch up with my updates, you know? Alright, so before I move to the topic for today, cheers. Let's have some beer, you know? This is Ghanaian made beer, you know? Let's enjoy. Alright, so how I made $10 from 1,000 views, you know? My video had 1,000 views and it fetched me $10. How did I do it? When you check YouTube, you know, the statistics they gave, YouTube says that when you get 1,000 views, you are to get $1 to $3. Okay, that's the monies many people are making. That's averagely people are making $1 to $3. But you know, there is a way that you can increase your earnings, legitimate way to make $5, to make $10 in a video that fetch 1,000 views. Normally the problem is about your RPM, if it's a website, your CPC, you know. But hey, these are 6 great points I would like you to follow in order to increase your earnings in 2020 and beyond. Point number 1, don't make videos for kids. You know, when you do videos for kids or when you're doing your setup and you select made for kids, you know, it restricts most ads on your video, which decreases your earnings. Okay, so if you really want to make or increase your earnings on YouTube, make sure your videos are adult related. I hope you get the vibe. So let's move to point number 2. Focus on specific topic. Most YouTubers have been doing different aspects on their channels. They do entertainment news, they'll be doing gaming, they will be doing whatsoever, blah 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 blah. But hey, make sure you specify what you do on YouTube. Okay? And we have some topics that really fetched or increase your earnings. Topics like gaming topics, phone review, you know, financial services, how to make money online, and also software reviews and many more. These are topics that really help you to increase your earnings on YouTube. Now let's move to point number 3. You need to do longer videos, okay? Minimum of 10 minutes, okay? Once you do 10-minute videos, you'll be able to spread ads, okay? You spread ads on your video. If your video is below 10 minutes, basically only 2 ads will show on your video, which is the beginning and the end of the video, you know. And most of the times people do skip, you know, once it ends they just skip it, you understand? So you make sure your videos exceeds or is up to 10 minutes. 10-minute video or beyond is what I'm talking about. You get the vibe? Alright, let's move to the next point. Point number 4. Avoid fake or ghost traffic. Avoid fake or ghost traffic. Most people, because they want more views on their YouTube videos, etc., etc., they go in for inappropriate views. YouTube doesn't condemn, you know, condemns you from, you know, getting views on your videos, but you make sure you do legitimate views by using AdWords and it associates. You understand? So guys, like I said, make sure you don't go for ghost views and followers. But hey, if you are out there and you want to increase your views, okay, if you want to increase your reach on YouTube, you can reach out to me. I'll leave my email below. just send me an email and I will help you to increase your views, increase your earnings, anything relating to social media and YouTube, you know. I'm going to help you to reach your target audience and make monies as well. Now let's move to point number 5. Avoid vulgar languages in your videos. Words like F, damn, you get a vibe? Those words must not be used in your videos. Such words most people do, you know, they do report you to YouTube. And whenever your videos are being reported to YouTube, it's either YouTube remove it completely or YouTube wouldn't promote your videos. YouTube, this is how the algorithm works. Videos which have good reactions and interactions are being promoted by YouTube. Such videos are suggested on other videos, okay, on YouTube. But if yours contains vulgar languages, then YouTube is going to rank you down. So when people search for stuffs in your niche, they wouldn't reach out to you. Now let's move to the point number 6. Product advertisement on your channel. You know, product advertisement on your channel. You should be able to know how to advertise products on your channel. You know, advertising products also help you to increase your earnings. Yes, as an artist, you can, you know, go to companies, shops, whatsoever, just advertise their works on your channel for them. In this way, you get more people, more audience to just follow up. So guys, I think these 6 great points will surely help you to increase earnings. Now, I'm going to give you the gig, all right? I'm going to give you the real gig that helped me to increase my earnings. That helped me to make $10 from 1,000 view video. This is how it works. When boosting your videos or when, you know, pushing your videos to the audience, we have countries that have high RPM. If it's your website, they have high CPC. Countries like Australia, we have German, we have UK, you have USA, we have Belgium, and many other countries. But these 5 countries I mentioned are great countries that really help to increase earnings, you know. So this is how I did it. Personally, I do run my own promos, you know. I have my tricks and my hacks. Okay, you just get in touch with me and I will just get you through. Okay, I have my tricks and hacks which I use in promoting my videos to a target audience, to the UK, to the USA, and many other countries. Aside that, I have some Facebook groups which are UK and USA based. You get interactive with them. They watch your videos. Specifically, they watch your ads. Okay, they watch your ads, and it also helps to increase your earnings. Then one thing, the reason why you are not getting enough monies on your videos is most people watch your videos for just a short period of time. Okay, for example, you uploaded a 10-minute video and people just watch just 1 minute. You know, with this, it will bring your ranking down. So make sure you are uploading content that are very catchy. Okay, upload catchy content, and trust me, you will surely increase your earnings. All right, then the last point, the bonus point, the bonus point is, listen very well. Most people, their source of traffic has a very low RPM. You know, sometimes you get your traffic from WhatsApp. People who have their traffic from WhatsApp alone decreases their earnings. It's a fact. But if you have a great SEO, you will be able to get enough traffic from Google. You know, once your YouTube videos are appearing on Google, Bing, and many other search engines, you are able to, increase your earnings. Okay guys, so I believe this video really helped you. Please, if yes, hit on the like button. And if you have any questions relating to what I did, drop it in the comment box. But hey, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit on the subscribe button. And follow us on all social platforms at Artist Cafe. And you can follow my brand, Ken's Motion GH on all social platforms. And hey, if it's about music, if it's about entertainment, if it's about promotions, if it's about social media, how you can grow your niche, and many more, just don't hesitate to take my mail and link up with me and let's do business.
What you're giving, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the